shadow drawing challenge, and now we're going to look at what we're going to do with that. So you've downloaded the Brushes app, you've played with it a little bit to try out the different textures and the different lines and the different weights and changing color. Now we're going to talk about light and shadow. So how do you create that, and then how do you draw it? So in order to create light and shadow, you need to set up your still life, either a fruit still life or maybe a plant in a pot, in front of a light source. So I'm sitting right now in front of a window that you can't see, but you might want to use an artificial light source if you don't have a good window to use. Here I have a nice lamp that can be kind of moved around and focused on my still life, or you can use another artificial light source like a flashlight. So you see how the light changes on the fruit depending on where this is and how the different shadows are cast. See how the shadows cast over here, and then also on the fruit. I'm kind of in the way. There we go. Really strong shadow right here. Okay. So the drawing challenge looked a lot like drawing these guys. And so if you have your light source coming here where this arrow hits, that's where your highlight is. Then you have a medium color or a medium value, like a medium tone. And that would be like just the orange of the orange here, or the pink of the pot. And then you have a lighter shade, so you would change the color that you're using to a lighter shade of the same color. Or if it's shadow, you would change it to a darker shade of the same color, and you can do that on your app, okay? So here on this sphere, or if we imagine this as the orange, you would use the regular orange for this part, a lighter orange for this part, and a darker shade of that orange for this side, which is in shadow. And then you could use a purple, a blue, a black, or whatever color you're seeing on your surface for this shadow. Same goes for this sphere. Here is where our highlight is. If we're using the pot that I have in front of us now, there's like a rosy pink here, a dark rosy pink here, and then this one would be quite light. Okay, does that make sense? Look at this and refer back to it if you need to. I have posted it on the site. So you're going to do the practice. You're going to set up your still life in a where there's a light source, or you're going to use an artificial light source. And then you're going to open up the app and start creating the drawing using a light shade, a medium shade, or the real color of whatever you're using. And then you're going to also get it to a dark shade so that you can put in the shadows. When you look at this, you can see here is where it's getting the light shade, where it's highlighted, and sometimes it even looks white, and you're welcome to do that. Look at the examples that I've added, and you can see that in some cases it's just a blob of white, or a little white spot here. That looks white to me. And you can even see that on the cylinder here. So have fun and experiment, and if you have to erase a few times or redo it, that's fine. I just want to see what you can do, and I want you to have fun, and I want you to think about how shadows work and how light works whenever we try to create something that's three-dimensional in a two-dimensional space. So on a piece of paper or on our app, we have to try to create that dimension and make it look real by using light and shadow. Okay, well, I hope you have fun, and I really can't wait to see the results. So watch the next video where I show you how I did mine, and then you can get started. Okay.